Well, when you can't remember how you wired up an electric seat, well, that had earth. Yay, cool. Might mean I can get the bolts out and remove the seats. Wicked. Should I have taken the seats out? Hey buddy? Or left them in? Yeah, left them in, you reckon? It's confusing now, isn't it? Yeah, that's right. I took out the tunnel surround. What else have I done? Are you happy with that progress? I'll put in a new dash, well, whatever that almost lines up, which is good. Those pipes are a bit fucking egg shaped and split, which is bad. But heater box, so that's an AU heater box and the EL. Yeah, fantastic. So there's a gap. Hang on. There's a gap there, which is actually pretty factory standard because that's the factory mounting points. And I don't think I bent everything that much when I put it in. One of the subtle differences between the E series and the AU is the position of the gearbox, well, the shifter. As you can see, that ain't going to work. I could move that forward, but then the handbrake might just work, I guess. Oh yeah, she actually works there, but yeah, don't like it. But anyway, so what's interesting about that is I could make up a shifter linkage, but the gearbox I've got comes right out that hole. Now, if I move that back to where it's supposed to be, it's actually got the mounts there for it. Yeah, and of course, I'm missing a few bits. There should be an air intake scoop for there to come from these blend doors. Oh, it's probably part of the dash. So that'll have to stay there. I don't really want to cut it up and have the shifter coming out there, but I could just make a longer shifter because racing shifting with these old gearboxes does them the world of good. So I could just put a long my custom stop shit going in there box. Oh, so that's got a billet short throw shifter on it. I'll have to find the rest of the bits of that somewhere, won't I? Here's that. We'll just take that off and put a bar that comes up in along and up, so you'll get a weird shifting arrangement.